Good morning, student. I am Ovi Ashish Kamble, the Assistant Professor of Electronics from Computer Science Department. Welcome to our e-learning platform. In a previous video, we discussed the different type of operating system related to Raspberry Pi. Now, we continue that different type of operating system. Now, in this video, we discuss the next operating system, which is Windows IoT Core. This is powerful Raspberry Pi operating system designed specially for writing sophisticated program and making prototypes. So the main use of this type of operating system is nothing but sophisticated writing a sophisticated program and making a prototypes. It was intended to serve the developers and programmers. Next, the features of this system is it focus on security, connectivity, project development and integration with the cloud. It requires Windows 10 for running any device. So, Windows IoT Core operating system required automatically Windows 10. It contained Microsoft Visual Studio to work with any application. It having a Microsoft Visual Studio to work with other application. It is compatible with ARM and IoT Core can be used as single board computer like Raspberry Pi. This is about Windows IoT Core operating system. Now next is Lakka. Lakka is a more suitable to develop computer game or even play games on single board computer. So Lakka is nothing but it is used the operating system to develop the computer game or for playing games on single board computer. It can turn Raspberry into gaming console without keyboard and mouse. So by without using keyboard or mouse, the Raspberry Pi board can be converted into a gaming console. It contains good user interface, handful customization features also. The features of Lakka is it can be installed on SD card easily. This is the most important feature of Lakka. This operating system is free and lightweight. It can dedicated setup of hardware. It allows the user to contain several USB joypads. So there are several number of USB joypads are given. It consumes less power. It consumes less power and runs smoothly on Raspberry Pi board. So Lakka operating system it consumes less power as compared to other and it is smoothly run on Raspberry Pi board or work with smoothly with the Raspberry Pi board. This is about Lakka. Next operating system is RaspBSD. It is an open source software which comes free BSD 11. The features of RaspBSD are this operating system is very lightweight and mostly used as game console. This operating system also used for a game console and it is lightweight, very lightweight. It is intended to help newcomers to build project using Raspberry Pi. So it helps the newcomers to build a new project using a Raspberry Pi board. It is regularly updates and users only publicly available tools. It regularly updated that system or operating system and users publicly available that tools to use. This is about RaspBSD. Next, RetroPie. It is built based on Debian software library. The previous or a basic operating system is Debian. So Debian having their software library. So RetroPie it is based on Debian software library. It is suitable for illuminating retro game on a single board computer like example Raspberry. It provides a modern and user friendly interface. So RetroPie is nothing but the emulating retro games on single board like a computer and it provides modern and user friendly interface. Features of this RetroPie. RetroPie uses Illumination Station front end and SBC to generate the best retro gaming experience for its user. It is for a gaming console or gaming purpose, so it provides the Illumination Station and station front end and single board computer, for example a Raspberry, for their users to give retro gaming experience. It comes with a special preloaded SD card image and that can be boot operating system without facing trouble. So any operating system which can be boot or preloaded in a SD card cannot be face any trouble. This is about RetroPie. Next operating system is Ubuntu Core. Ubuntu is one of the widely used operating system. We already use that operating system in our practicals also, computer practicals. This operating system is designed for building and managing Internet of Things application. This operating system basically used for building, developing or designing for buildings and managing Internet of Things application. It open source backed by many developers. It is open source operating system and backed by many developers. Features of Ubuntu Core are Ubuntu has 20 plus other directives. The other directives having the number 20 plus in Ubuntu Core. It covers the basic set of platform, services, technologies to work with more efficiently with IoT projects. This operating system is lightweight and highly secured. The focus on meeting the requirement of IoT devices and their distribution. This Ubuntu Core operating system mainly focus on the meeting of the requirement of IoT devices and their distribution. This is about Ubuntu Core. Next, Linutop. This operating system specially developed to start the internet style or digital marketing platform. So, Linutop, this operating system is developed specially to start internet stall as well as digital marketing platform. It is based on Raspbian operating system. Linutop is a small, lightweight operating system and also comes with the hardware setup. This is the first operating system which comes with the hardware setup also. Linutop is a small and lightweight operating system and it comes with their hardware also. Features of this Linutop: this operating system can be easily used on a Raspberry Pi B, Raspberry Pi B Plus and get smooth performance. Linutop operating system is easily used on the models of Raspberry Pi, which is Raspberry Pi B, Raspberry Pi B Plus and get smooth performance of their operation. It is more suitable for running business such as hotels, restaurants, shops, city halls, offices and museums. It is capable for running multimedia software. It is capable for running multimedia software. This is about Linutop operating system. Next is Kali Linux. Kali is based on Linux specially designed for Raspberry Pi. We already use a Linux operating system. So Kali is based on Linux specially designed for Raspberry Pi board. It can be used as a desktop computer. So this operating system is used as desktop computer. The feature of this Kali Linux is class 10 SD card with at least 8 GB data storage is required for installing a pre-built Kali Linux image on Raspberry Pi. So as to install the Kali Linux in our Raspberry Pi, we required class 10 SD card. Class 10 SD card with at least the space is 8 GB required data storage. The space of this 8 GB with a class 10 SD card. This operating system offers a lot of security. This operating system provides us the lot of security. The Kali is based of high computing project. So Kali software is operating system is used for computing project. It helps cracking Wi-Fi password, testing networks and also support ethical hacking. It used for cracking Wi-Fi password or testing network and also support ethical hacking. This is about Kali Linux. Next, Ubuntu Mate. Ubuntu, we already know about Ubuntu. Ubuntu is very popular today. Ubuntu Mate is specially designed and dedicated to run on a Raspberry Pi. Ubuntu Mate is specially designed and dedicated to run on Raspberry Pi board. It is good choice user looking for alternative of Raspbian. That means instead of using Raspbian operating system, we also use Ubuntu Mate also. So user can goodly looking or good having a good choice to use the alternative of Raspbian, which is that Ubuntu Mate. Features of this Ubuntu Mate is it is Debian based Linux distribution which gets update much faster. Here the Debian Ubuntu Mate is nothing but Debian based Linux distribution which gets updated much faster as compared to other. It has colorful interface. It has having a colorful interface and it offer Raspbian, Minecraft Pi or scratches. It comes with HDMI, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Ethernet support also. Which Ubuntu Mate comes with HDMI, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Ethernet support also. Thank you. Keep watching my video.